Community. I'm the president of a nonprofit organization. I was getting a lot of calls for workforce housing, affordable housing, that sort of thing. Living in a small space can be comfortable, you get your needs met, it costs less, and it just kind of came together, and it just was like, wow, I could actually provide for people in smaller spaces. That's what started the idea. I had a lot of community members look at me like I'd lost my mind when I said what I wanted to do. They were used to a mobile home park. That was what everyone had in their mind. So when I said tiny homes on wheels, it just didn't register. So I purchased this tiny home and did tiny tours for tiny donations. And so that started to create some acceptance. I have not had any resistance. Everybody realized that it was a good idea. This started back in June.